Hey, this is Ross. Today we're down on Marlin Avenue. This is the third job that we've done in the past, I don't know, 6 or 7 weeks for a couple customers. It's all been word of mouth. This garage has had several coatings on it that we had to remove. A lot of spalling and other issues. We had to backfill a lot of these baseboards, voids that were in the wall board. We built it up with an epoxy compound before we put our baseboards in. This garage is a little bit different in so far as it has a couple closets in it. So along this wall, and this wall, and all of the closet, we built a cove into the wall. Here we kind of went up all the way up the wall, underneath the water heater. So this is the closet we put our baseboards in. Nice clean edge. Built this workbench in with the baseboards. So this is a full chip job. We just finished putting a polyaspartic top coat on, and this color is saddle tan. Thanks for watching. Looks good.
Pro-Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro-Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.